You love me, it's special, we're different, never be, you keep me on my feet, heavily, excited.
So hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Keymee K. I'm gonna be doing a synthetic wig today. Like, girl, it is finally time. I've been doing a lot of human hair wigs, but today we're gonna be doing synthetic. So it is gonna be on this bad boy right here, which has been all over the YT. Like, I'm so late to reviewing this unit, but thank you to Samsbeauty for sending me out this unit to review, because girl, everybody and their mama have had this wig on and I'm late. So this right here is gonna be packaging up close. This is the back. So it is the Sensational Wet Lace Hair Illusion Lace Front Wig. This style is Kaira. I did get the color 1B. So it is supposed to have like a yaki texture. It does say that this is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So that's the inside of the pamphlet, and then this is the back. So it is going to be a 13x6 lace front wig. So you do have a little bit of parting on the sides, as you can see, and then you do have the 6 inches that are going to be in the center. So it is like a 6 inches deep parting space. You have the comb in the back with adjustable straps, and then you do have the combs on each side of the head. And then that is what the hairline looks like. So it is pre-plucked, and that is going to be the lace color. With this lace, it does look like it's a light brown lace, so we are going to have to tint that. So this is the unit on. Off the bat, like, hair texture is so freaking fire. When I tell you it's fire, it is freaking fire. Like, look at the hair texture, so freaking bomb. Like, girl, I see what the hype is already. This wig ain't even installed on, and girl, the hype is real. Hairline, it does look good as well. I'm trying to get this little bang situated, because that's cute. Look at that. So yes, this unit right here, bomb. Hairline looks fire. The baby hairs are not too thick as well. And then we are gonna have to tint our lace. So I think I want to do is go ahead and tint the lace and then put this unit back on, and also cut off my ear tabs. So that is what we is giving, honey. Okay, so I like it. Like, hairline looks good. These little pieces of baby hairs look good. Like, everything about this unit is so freaking pretty. The unit is actually fitting like snug. So I guess you can wear these glueless. It doesn't have like the little headband, because I will wear it glueless, but I'm gonna go in with some Got to Be Glued in the black bottle. I feel like I want to use that one for today. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the black bottle and lay this unit down. I'm not sure as to what I want to do with the baby hairs, only because It looks good, and I think I want to just give hairline versus like baby hairs. But of course, like on my side, you see where it's peeking out, and my wig cap did not go all the way down. So I might put some right there and just lay some down. But I am not sure, but it looks really good. So yeah, so I'm just gonna follow my natural hairline. I'm just gonna be using I Got to Be Glued in the black bottle, letting it air dry, and I'm gonna do that about 2 times. No, I'm not. Why am I lying? I'm gonna do it 1 time. I'm acting like I'm using lace glue. I'm gonna do it 1 time, and then I will apply some of the freeze spray. I'm just gonna do it like this. I just don't want my wig cap to like roll up because I put it down with I Got to Be Glued freezing spray, and I do want the freeze spray on my lace as well. So hopefully that works, girl. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this down. I can already see like right here and right here, I can see my wig cap. So I am gonna have to put some baby hairs on there. But other than that, it looks like it'd be all right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dry this on cool air.
Ryan Little.
As you can see, it does have a cast to it. We put the foundation on bottom. This is what it looks like on top. Right here it looks real good, and then on the sides you can see that it is light. That's because we need to apply powder on top. I do want to do it differently because I do not want to go ahead and put powder on and then lay my edge control and then be moving the powder and stuff everywhere. I feel like it kind of gets a little bit sticky, but I'm gonna see if it's a difference because I haven't tried it yet on a synthetic wig. So right now I just want to go ahead and kind of see where I want my baby hairs to go. Where I don't put it at is where I'm gonna add the powder and use my Got to Be Glued spray, because I'll put Got to Be Glued spray after I put the powder because I feel like it sticks more, and I don't want to do that first and then go back in with powder again and edge control, and it just gets all gunky and messy. So I just want to try that to see how it will work, and then we will go ahead and fix it. So yeah, so let me go ahead and pull out the baby hairs for you. So as you can see, when you put the baby hairs, it looks good. Like, you don't need no powder, it's just the edges. So
Ryan Little.
So this is how my baby hairs are looking. The top I got the edge control, on the bottom I don't, so they just kind of flickered out. And then on this side, so the powder I like to use is a Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's in a 7.6 Tawny, and I'm just going to apply that like in certain areas. Then I'm going to just lay that on top where I put that powder at. I just feel like this just locks in the powder. I'm trying to see if I want to pluck that out and then kind of wear like towards the side. And then right here too. Cause that'll be cute. And then I'm gonna take my edge control and put it like right here on the roots, cause I don't want to straighten out the hair. I like how pretty it looks. But I love putting edge control, cause I think edge control just gives the hair like a press kind of look. But I love like how it looks, like so pretty. So let's try. So can we talk about this cut? So I did go ahead and apply my makeup. I'm sure by now y'all already know that I'm in love with this unit, because I've been saying it this entire time. Like, so gorgeous. It's time for it. It is fall. This right here you can wear with anything. Like, it's full, nice, popping. Didn't have any shedding, didn't have any tangling. The only con that I am going to say, and it's probably not really a con, but towards the middle it feels like very thin, like you can feel the track. So it's only like right here you can feel the track. I don't know if I can see it or you can see it, but that right there is going to be the only con that I have. So when I look at the recording back, then I'll be able to know if the track is like showing or not. Other than that, super gorgeous, super pretty, love it. I have nothing else to say about it. Like, girl, go and get you this unit, because it is super pretty and bomb. But girl, this right here is giving. Okay, this is work, this is club, this is going out. This right here is everything. Like, it is super gorgeous. Okay, so I did get this from Samsbeauty.com. They did send me out this unit, so I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. Baby girl, go and get it. This is a fall winter unit. Look how pretty it is, girl. Bomb. So yeah, so I will leave that link down below on where you can purchase this unit. Thank you to them once again for sending me out this unit, because so freaking gorgeous. I love it. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys on my next video.